welcome to my awesome world! Hi! Welcome back to Michaeli's Awesome World. Today, we're going to be unboxing BENNOL Easter chicken. Let's open it. Let's see. We have to build the chicken. Oh, it's okay. I see the chicken's eye. Oh, we don't need to cut it. What is this? It's a heart. Okay, we'll do that one. Chicken together. Where's the star? Yay! Mine is blue. Okay, I'll split them all apart. There we go. Now, Kat, you put them together. Okay, put the chicken together first. I'm gonna put on this. So does it go like this way? This way? Does it have to be facing this way in the front? No, it doesn't go in the front. Oh, that's the tail. Where's the tail? Ah! Wow, that's a lot of eggs. I might need help. Purple. Oh dear, oh no, oh my, we have scrambled eggs. So then these are blue. Let's make Miss Hen. There we go. If I can't put it in. There. Finally! This Easter matching egg sorting toy includes a hen-shaped box with wings that act like little clasps to open and close the case. And 6 Easter eggs with 6 different colors and shapes. Okay, I'm gonna go first. This is a green triangle. I got a red heart. This is an orange X. Purple circle. Yellow square. Ooh, which one's gonna this one be? A blue star. Now let's put them all back together. This toy helps little kids learn the colors and shapes and will improve their fine motor and sensory skills. So this heart I can put together easily, and it's not hard to take apart. And the star. I'm gonna do this orange one, green one. And yes, the eggs are easy to put together and pull them apart. This toy is good for any holiday, even birthdays, especially Easter. What? Stop! So you could use blankets as a little nest for this hen. What we did? Yeah, we made a little nest. I'll fix it. Okay, so you can create a nest by making a little inside, a little cozy spot for a little hen to live in. Well, let's pretend the chicken is laying eggs. You can open up the chicken, pour the eggs, the chicken back.
Then you can make a cake.
You check if the chicken laid eggs. He did. I mean a sheep. This is a sheep.
Now let's make a cake with these eggs.
This chicken is so pleased. No, she doesn't want cake. I have eggs. Oh, this is Miss Chicken. So look at her little happy chicken in her nest. Just laid an egg. Where are the other eggs? Bark. She's keeping her eggs warm. Okay, this is BENNOL Easter chicken.
Yeah.
And this hen just laid 6 eggs. 6 sick eggs just had
Not sick.
then like this one green. Well, this sweet mother chicken just laid 6 spectacular eggs.
But one is a sick egg.
Because it's green.
Yes.
It's green.
Yeah, that's just because
And maybe the yellow one is kind of sick. No, that's just emoji stickers. Okay, so this was the BENNOL Easter chicken. Hope you enjoyed this video.
that's all for today.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. It's your eggs.
Hey!
Now, could we pretend we got these eggs from the store?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.